everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mrugla and today I'm going to be sharing with you some simple and easy hand exercises to draw anything like human faces and some animals and some flowers. These exercises works for any age group of people who are interested and love art. Whenever you find the free time, grab a piece of paper and a pencil and start sketching. What we're gonna need? I need a paper and a pencil. Any paper you can use, rough paper, computer paper, whatever around you. For the pencil, I always use the B version of the pencil. B has a softer and brightness on the lid that is good for sketching, like a HB, 2B, 4B and 6B. How we can hold? Holding is very important for the sketching. We used to hold a pencil near to the tip while writing. But while sketching, I hold my pencil little bit more above from the tip, like 1 inch. And don't hold your pencil very tight. While sketching, hold the pencil very lightly. Okay, let's start the line drawing. Hold the pencil above from the tip. Don't press very hard. Land your pencil on the paper and take off. Very smoothly we have to do this. Don't be rushed. Very smoothly we have to do. We want very soft lines. Land and take off. Let's see the circles. Hold the pencil like this. I move my ankle like circular motion. Move your ankle circular motion and draw. Don't hold your pencil very close to the tip and don't move your fingers. That's completely wrong. Move your ankle circular motion and draw. Some of the smaller circles, move your ankle smaller circular motion and draw. Let's see bigger circles. Move your ankle, bigger circular motion and draw. Like this. Let's see the ovals. Same thing we have to do for the oval. Move your ankle oval shape and draw. Some of the smaller ones, some of the bigger ones. These exercises are very easy and very useful for sketching. I learned my drawing from last 3 years using these exercises. This is very simple and easy hand exercises. Hope these exercises will help for you and thanks for watching.